What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Today we're gonna go ahead and work on this S14 right here, and as you guys saw from the previous clip, we picked up a new front bumper. So a lot of you guys know that I want to go Koki on this S14, and I already started buying parts for the Koki front end. Check this out. We just picked this up today. We ordered a hood, fenders, and everything from Nissan, but since I have the Zenki, we might as well enjoy the Zenki in the time being. So today, we're gonna put on this new front bumper, and once the kit comes in, we'll slap on the skirts and the rear bumper. You ready, Nick?
Wait. Yesterday was Mother's Day!
Yes, sir. That's why you got that balloon right there. All right. This bumper, I believe, has never came off of this car, so I hope that no bolts are rusted or no plastic clips are gonna be a pain in the ass, but we're gonna go ahead and find out and dive deep into this bumper. So Nick, you gonna help me take off this bumper?
Yes, but let's hope no bolts and stuff are stuck together.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Bruh, I think we gotta take off the headlights to reach the bolts that's holding in the bumper. Oh my god, why can't this be easier? Oh my god, after like 50 bolts, I finally got the stock bumper off. Now it's time to test fit the new Glare Modify Wonder front bumper. Hopefully this fits absolutely pristine, because this costs a lot of money for an S14 kit. So let's go ahead, slap it on, and see how it fits. I'm having trouble putting on this bumper because I think we have to remove this piece right here, because the bumper is just hitting that piece from right here. So let's go ahead and take this off. Whatever it is, it's cracked anyway, so we don't want this. Okay, we got it off. Attempt number 2 of trying to fit this front bumper on. Well, that went on a lot easier. Check it out, fitment is pretty good. Look at that. The lines all line up. We might have to drill the holes so that it fits into the stock mounting point. We might have to drill all these holes out so that it fits, but it's looking a lot better than I anticipated. Look at that. That's pretty much spot on. We have to trim it a little bit, but nothing too major. So let's go ahead and slap on the stock headlights to see how it looks like with the bumper fully on. Oh my god, look at this. I thought the Zenki was ugly, but this bumper low-key changed my opinions. Look at that. That looks fire. See, now the only thing I need is my side skirts, because this bumper hangs real low. Look at that. Look how high the side of the car is versus the front bumper. But let's just focus on that. That is fuego. I couldn't put on the front grille because we gotta drill out those mounting tabs right there for the grill to go into, but we don't even need the grill right now. It just looks so amazing as is. You like it, Nick?
Yeah.
Go check it out from the front.
Okay.
What you think?
Whoa.
Fire? You like this bumper? Yes, sir. And so now the only thing we need to do before we can go ahead and officially put on this bumper is we gotta prep it for paint. And that involves washing, right? So let's go ahead and take this bumper off and start sanding it with 320 grit so we can lay some primer. What's that dance move called? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, with the orange justice. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Alright guys, I pretty much got the front bumper all prepped and ready to spray primer. But before I do that, I just found an amazing deal on Facebook Marketplace. Check this out. This guy is selling an S14 rear bumper for 50 bucks. Look at that, $50. So we're gonna head over there and pick it up right now and maybe prep it so we can shoot this bumper and the rear bumper at the same time. See, this is why you always gotta keep an eye on Facebook Marketplace. There be steals and deals, I'm telling you. I just realized I never even told you guys. So we kind of sold the Sienna and my mom got a little upgrade. We got the Highlander now, check it out. Pearl white and everything. It's nice and pristine, and on top of that, it's 4-wheel drive, baby. Jeez, look at that, full leather package, heated seats and everything. So this will be the new mom wagon. We got about a 45-minute drive ahead of us, but lucky for you guys, y'all can just skip ahead. So I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, boys, we have arrived. Let's go check out this rear bumper. Dude, it looks like it's in great shape. Look at this. What the heck? Pretty clean. I don't see any cracks. I see some bad paint right here that we're gonna have to sand off, but besides that, it's pretty chillin'. Sheesh, this is a come up. It looks like it's like a BN rep. You know what if it's actually authentic BN? Let's check. Bro, no way. No way. What is that supposed to be? I'm pretty sure authentic BN has like a badge somewhere. Not sure if that's it though, but for now, let's just say it's a rep until I can figure out if this is real. If it is, I came out 50 bucks. But yeah, we're gonna take this home, go ahead and prep it up. We don't even have to spray primer, to be honest. We don't need to do body work anywhere. So we're gonna load it in the Highlander and take her home. Bumper is secured. I'll catch you guys at home. All right, y'all, just like that, we are back at home. And my original plan was to just spray primer on the front bumper, but I'm gonna go full send and sand this down and spray primer on this bumper too, just for a little bit of insurance, just to make sure that I don't have painting problems later on when I go ahead and paint the kit, because I don't know what this paint is. Maybe it's spray paint, who knows? So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down with 320, just like the front bumper, and then we can get to spraying some primer. All right, y'all, we got the bumper all prepped up. As you can see, it was a freaking mess. This bumper was painted at Mako or something before, absolutely garbage, and I didn't even want to bother just doing all the stuff properly since this is gonna be a drift car. So now this bumper is all sanded down, ready to spray, and so is the front bumper, and I got the primer all mixed up right here. So let's go ahead, dump it into the gun, and start laying down some primer, baby. boys, it's now the next day. After 5 coats of high build primer, I got both bumpers fully covered. Here are the bumpers fully primed and everything and ready to be block sanded. As I said before, this is gonna be my drift car, so I didn't want to be too anal about the details and stuff, which is why I left some cracks and just basically some imperfections, because this kit is gonna get destroyed anyways. And the old paint was kind of bubbly, so we got some bubbled primer right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and sand that off and we shouldn't have any more issues. And the front bumper is basically perfect since I got the bumper brand new. Now if you guys are wondering, I got this bumper for 500 bucks, brand new locally. If you guys buy new online, I think it's like 700 or 800 bucks, don't quote me on that, but I got this for an absolute steal. Unfortunately, I won't be painting or putting on the kit today because I want to wait until I get the side skirt so I can go ahead and paint everything all at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Next video you guys see will be me prepping everything, including the side skirts, for paint and slapping it on to the drift car. So for now, just imagine this kit on the car is going to look freaking amazing. Look how aggressive that is. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about me piecing together a Frankenstein kit for the Zenki. And like always, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.